So here I have the decal that I'm going to use on the messy canvas, or the hot mess, whatever it is. And I just want to make sure that it is attached to my transfer tape very well. And voila, here is my canvas for my hot mess. Now all it is a regular old cheap canvas that I've just willy-nilly, no rhyme or reason, put some paint on it. Okay, that's all that is. Now I'm going to put this transfer on it like that, and give it a good rub down. Go get my brayer, just because vinyl can be difficult to stick to canvas. Even though there's paint there, that should help a lot more. And oh yeah, paint really makes a difference on making it stick. Pull that off. And that's sticking very nicely. Got some glitter on my brayer because I was using it in another project. I'm just going to give that a little quick, no pushing, just a little rub down. Okay, so I could leave that just like that because that actually looks pretty cool. But this is for doing the hot mess canvases. So I am using white as my top color. Just get, and it's just this $1.25 from, oh, it's just really cheap acrylic paint. And I'm just going to put a whole pile there on my styrofoam plate. And what you're going to do now is we are going to cover the canvas. Before I cover the top, I'm just going to clean up the sides here a bit because I want that mess all cleaned up, and then I will see what I can do from there. Okay, so I'm getting all the edges painted up just to tidy it up. So if I did plan on keeping, or whatever, what I plan on using, anyways, just paint and cover up the edges. Okay. And now I'm going to just go back and forth painting the top of my canvas. Right over top everything. Over all the other color, over all the vinyl, right over top it all. just keep covering the whole thing. Now, some people will say to pull it off wet. Some say to do it when it's dry. I guess that's all up to you, in a way. I understand why wet, because people would be concerned when dry that they might be pulling some of the paint off with it, but I can't see there being a big problem, as long as you're careful. I remove my stencils off wood signs when it's wet, or when it's either way. Okay. Now, some of these colors you can still see quite well through the paint, but depending on the finish you want, I guess that would depend on how much paint you put on there. Now, since it's a pretty easy peasy, I'm just going to pop it off now. I got my hook, and I am just going to pull it off right now. Yucky wet pieces off my fingers. And there's the next piece. And just keep pulling it all off. And keep doing it until it's all gone. Almost got it all. Gotta get these last couple of bigger pieces. A little piece right here to get. And his eyeball. I want to get his eyeball. It is a bit of a messy job, so you don't want to get paint on your hands. Wear gloves. Because you're going to get paint on your hands. And that looks like all the pieces. So that is very cute. Very cute. So in order to do this, all I did was have a dollar store canvas. You can do it on wood. It doesn't have to be canvas. You decide what colors you're going to want underneath. Randomly color your canvas with that. No rhyme or reason. Let that dry. So that is like so cute, isn't it? I just love it. Anyways, so what did we do? We used dollar store canvas, Dollar Tree paint, truthfully. Yeah, dollar store paintbrush. And we picked our colors we wanted for the background or for the underneath. And willy-nilly, no rhyme reason behind it, painted the canvas board with it. Hence why the canvas had so many colors. Let that dry. Figure out what stencil you want, picture, font, or saying. Get it cut out with vinyl. Any kind of vinyl, just whatever you have lying around. Don't waste the good stuff and don't save the bad stuff. And put that on the canvas. And then in my instance, I went with a white overcoat. So coat the whole thing over in white and pull the vinyl off. And you end up with a very nice looking picture. Be really cute for a baby's room. Yeah. No, I like this idea. Good one, guys. So anyways, don't forget to subscribe and like my videos, guys, and we'll craft with you later. Take care.